Hello everyone, welcome to the CSEBuddy channel. Please subscribe this channel so that you will get all the tutorials on time and you will be the first one to see it. So today's topic is mobile IP. So let's see it. Okay. Before the diagram, I would like to tell something about the mobile IP. Why is mobile IP used? What were the challenges in using the mobile IP? Okay, so friends, we know that for every computer to have communication on net, to have internet, it must have an IP. But what used to happen that if your mobile will move from one place to another place, then the IP will change. So when at every 10 minutes your IP will change, then how will you be able to communicate? How will you be able to surf the internet? Because your IP is changing dynamically every time. So that was the biggest challenge in using the mobile device, using internet on mobile device. So that problem was solved using the mobile IP. Okay, because on computers definitely there is one permanent IP assigned by your provider, internet provider, and on that IP, from that IP you are surfing your internet. But on mobile IPs are continuously changing when you are changing your location. So then how can the internet be provided to you? So that is solved using the mobile IP, and this is very easy tutorial, and I hope that you will be able to get all the concept. And so let's start the tutorial. So mobile IP was designed to allow mobile devices users to move from one network to another, enables hosts to stay connected to the internet regardless of their location, enables hosts to be tracked without needing to change their IP address, requires no change to software of non-mobile hosts or routers, has no geographical limitations, supports security. It is standardized by IETF. So that's what I told about mobile IP. So let's see how a dynamically changing IP of a mobile can be fixed. So let's see. It's very interesting, isn't it? Okay, so this is the diagram. Okay, you must make this diagram in your exam. This will give you the full mark, and it is enough to give you full marks. Okay, so let's see first what is in the diagram. Okay, so you must you are looking that there is one mobile node. Let me see. So this is the mobile node. Okay, mobile node visiting foreign network, mobile node at home, correspondent node, foreign agent. Okay, see, so this is your mobile node at home. Suppose that actually in the diagram there is a picture of laptop, but suppose that this is your mobile device. Okay, this is your mobile device. This laptop is your mobile device. It is moving from one place to another. Okay, you are in your home network. So what is the home network? The place where you live, the state where you live is your home network. You are a registered user of your network in your home network. Okay, and if you go from one place to another, then you will be in roaming because you are not registered there. Okay, so you are visitor there. So in home network, suppose that there is your mobile. Okay, and there is a home agent. Okay, there is an agent which is connected to you. Okay, which does some work also. And then this is the internet. This cloud is internet. Okay, and now from your home you move to a place which is foreign, which is not your place. Okay, so now your mobile node is in foreign network. It is written mobile node visiting foreign network. Okay, so you are in the foreign network, and from foreign network there is a foreign agent which will do some specific kind of work. Okay, now you are in the foreign network, and you are communicating with this node, correspondent node. So you want to have some chat with this person at this node, correspondent node. So how will be the communication possible? Because your home node was having a fixed IP, but when you went to a foreign network, then your IP changed. So how will be you able to communicate with this correspondent node? Because the correspondent node will send send messages which is for you to the home node's IP. but your IP has been changed. So how will the communication be done? So let's see it step by step. See, let's see the terminology. The first terminology is mobile node. Mobile node is just the mobile device, okay? The entity that may change its point of attachment from network to network in the internet is called mobile node. There are two kind of addresses. First is home address. IP address assigned to the device within its home network is called home network. So I told you that in a home network there will be a fixed IP given to you. So that is called the home address. And the second one is care of address. IP addresses of the device when it's operating in a foreign network is called care of address. It identifies the mobile node's current location sent by foreign agent to home agent when MN attaches usually the IP address of the foreign agent. So see, there are two kind of addresses. First one is home address. It is a fixed address which is given by the operator to you. And the second one is care of address. Suppose you move from one network to another network. So there what happened that the foreign agent gives you an care of address. So that care of address is the address which will give information to the home agent that yeah, this kid is in my place. So it's the same. Suppose that foreign agent is your relative and home agent is your parents. So when you go to your relative house, then that is called care of address. You are in care of your relative, okay, and your relative will send that address that yeah, your kid is in my place to the home, okay. So that care of address foreign agent sends the care of address to the home network, okay. So there are two kind of address, home address and the care of address. Whenever you visit to the foreign agent, they will must inform your home agent that this kid is in foreign network by sending the care of address, okay. So now let's move to the next slide. Okay, home network, the network within which the device receives its home address. Home network is very simple, everyone loves its home. Now home agent. So what is the purpose of home agent? You have seen that there are two agents, home agents and foreign agents. So what is the purpose of these agents? Let's study one by one. Stores information about mobile nodes whose permanent home address is in home agent's network. So it stores all the information about the mobile nodes, okay. Your parents definitely know all thing about you. So that's also the work of home agent, okay. Located on home network of mobile device. It is located on the home network of mobile device. Does mobility binding of mobile networks IP with its COA forwards packet to network when MN is away, does this through encapsulation. So see what happens. Now I will tell you all the concept. What is happening actually, that when we are going to the foreign agent, then that foreign agent is giving you a COA, care of address, and that care of address is sent to your home network. So when a person from which you are communicating tries to send the message or chat or anything to your home IP address, then your home IP address knows the care of address because the foreign agent has sent that care of address to your home network. So your parent, your home network, knows that where are you by using that care of address. So they will transfer the same packet, they will forward the same packet to that care of address. So in this way, you will be able to chat to that node. You got the point. When you move from your home place to the foreign place, then the foreign agent will give you a care of address, and that care of address is also sent to your home network. So when someone will send something to your home network, I mean your fixed IP, then your home agent will forward those packets to the COA, means care of address, and thus you will be easily communicating with that device from which you want to communicate. Now foreign network in which the mobile node is away from its home network. Foreign agent stores information about mobile nodes visiting its network. Obviously, if FN is away from HA, if MN is away from HA, then it uses a FA to send receive data from HA, advertises care of address which are used by mobile IP, decapsulates messages for delivery to MN. Binding. So it's simple, I have told you. So foreign agent will send the care of address to the home agent, and when home agent will send that messages which home agent has got by the node from which you are communicating, then it will transfer the same message to the foreign agent, and foreign agent will decapsulate those messages. Okay. Now, mobile IP operations. What are the operations in mobile IP? Agent discovery, encapsulation, decapsulation, registration. Okay. So what is the agent discovery? HA, home agent, and foreign agent broadcast their presence on each network to which they are attached. MN's mobile network listen for advertisement and then initiate the registration. So they actually broadcast. The home agent and the foreign agent, they broadcast, and they always stay in connect with each other. Your relatives stay in connect to each other. In the same way, the home agent and foreign agent broadcast and stay connected to each other, and the agent is discovered, your mobile node is discovered that yeah, this is at this place. Now encapsulation, attaching COA to the packet with home agent. So the packet which is transferred to the home agent from your friend from whom you are communicating is sent to the COA. That is called encapsulation. Decapsulation, detaching COA to the packet with HA. Okay. Registration, when MN is away, it registers its COA with its HA. Registration happens as of an MS change network. There is a specific lifetime for service of registration. There is also deregistration process if MN returns home. So when MN moves to a foreign network, then the registration happens, and when it again goes to the home network, then deregistration happens. So this is a simple thing. Okay. So I hope that you must have got how the mobile IP works. Okay, so now mobile IP operation, it's the same thing which I have told, so you just go through it because the tutorial will be long. Okay, and that's the end. So it's the simple thing. Okay, mobile nodes listen for agent advertisement and then initiates the registration. After receiving the registration request from the mobile node, FA request to HA. The HA acknowledges the registration is complete. HA intercepts all packets destined for MN. HA then encapsulates all address to the MN and forwards them to FA. FA encapsulates all packet address to MN and forwards them via hardware address. The simple thing. Okay, so now just move to the diagram which was in the second page. Yeah, that diagram. So you must make this picture in the exam, and you write that when someone wants to have chat with the mobile node in foreign network, and then how is possible? The foreign agent will give the COA to the home network, which means that I am at that your kid is at my place, and when someone will send the data to the fixed IP, then it will go to the home network, and then home network will forward that packet, encapsulate those packets, and will send it to the foreign agent, and then foreign agent will give the packets to the mobile node by decapsulating it. So in this way, the whole communication of the two devices happens in the mobile IP. I hope you like it. If you have liked this tutorial, then please like and subscribe the channel. Okay. See you in the next video. Bye bye.